Welcome to the Matthew Tells a Vlog Experience. We are at Ventura Car Wash using Yay coupon, getting said car wash. And now we are at Costco. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Really good Costco haul. I spent $80. I feel like it was a solid $80. I didn't get anything wild. You got to be careful in there. There's a lot that you can spend money on and waste away the savings. As I was putting away my cart, I saw from Spider-Man 2, the Peter Parker's landlord, the one that keeps asking him about the rent. You got the rent, and that was cool. I just spotted him, and you know I live in Los Angeles. I see celebrities all the time, and you got to learn not to look too much. Biggest takeaway from Costco today is that we restocked on this honey mustard snack mix. I'm a bitch for that stuff. We got a bag last week. I've already finished it. I need to cool it on this one, but it's kind of embarrassing. When I saw it in the store, my mouth started watering so much that I actually had to spit on the floor in there in Costco, which is not good. I mean, it's not that big a deal because they got the smooth stone floor. They can easily mop it up, but just generally not something you should be doing, spitting on the floor in the grocery store. And my mouth was watering so much after that every trash can I walked by, I'm spitting in it. I only spit once on the floor, but I spit at least 15 more times in the various trash cans. And yeah, so maybe next time I'll bring some kind of like a